Education is more than teaching. It's about building critical thinkers and problem solvers. By understanding how the human mind works, we can make learning more effective for every student. Human learning is guided by 6 principles that shape how we acquire, process, and apply knowledge. The information store principle highlights the importance of long-term memory. It's where knowledge is stored, ready to be recalled and applied when needed. Effective learning involves helping students transfer information into long-term memory. Through the borrowing and reorganizing principle, learners acquire knowledge from external sources, like teachers and textbooks. They reorganize it to fit their understanding, making collaboration and guidance essential. The randomness. As Genesis principle explains how trial and error leads to new ideas and solutions. Encouraging exploration and experimentation allows students to learn from their successes and failures. Our working memory has limits, as explained by the narrow limits of change principle. By presenting information in small, manageable chunks, we help students process and retain knowledge without feeling overwhelmed. The environmental organizing and linking principle shows how familiarity makes learning easier. Relating new concepts to existing knowledge reduces cognitive load and enhances understanding. Finally, the explicit intention to learn. Principle sets humans apart. It's the ability to consciously and deliberately engage in learning. This principle is the key to mastering complex skills, solving problems, and adapting to new challenges. Let's dive deeper into why the explicit intention to learn principle is so powerful in education. When students understand why they're learning, they engage more deeply. Purpose-driven lessons boost motivation and focus. This principle enables students to learn advanced skills like algebra, scientific reasoning, and critical thinking, abilities that require conscious effort and practice. It fosters adaptability, helping students analyze problems and apply their knowledge to novel situations. How can educators use this principle in their classrooms? Here are 4 practical strategies. Start every lesson with clear goals and explain why the content matters. This connects learning to real-world applications. Demonstrate solutions with worked examples to reduce cognitive load and build confidence. Encourage students to reflect on their learning. Reflection turns knowledge into deeper understanding. Recognize milestones and achievements. Celebrating progress keeps students motivated. The explicit intention to learn principle is more than a concept. It's a tool for empowering students to take charge of their learning. By fostering intentional learning, we prepare them to succeed in a complex, ever-changing world.